How to adjust brightness on Insta360 X5. So on your device, scroll down to the control panel. Then tap on this brightness option. Now from here, you can see a slider. You can adjust the brightness of your device accordingly. Now, if you tap on this option at the left-hand side corner, you will be able to turn on the auto brightness mode, which means that on your device, the brightness will be adjusted automatically according to the lighting. Now, if you turn on this auto brightness option, your camera will be able to adjust the brightness according to the lighting. So that's how simply you could adjust brightness on Insta360 X5 device. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.